Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock going in this week. Are we back again in the bullish strength after that a good rebound that we got on Friday? We'll talk about all of that. We shouldn't jump ahead of ourselves just by looking at one green good candle. Okay, it may mean actually just that it's just a rebound. Is that the case, or are we just good to go up from here? So let's talk about all of that in this video. Once I also let you know, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. Also, please check out this form. Link is in the description of this video. This is a new service that I'm starting. That is, you'll be able to just follow along my portfolio, buys and sell as I make. If you are interested in this, you can just go to the link in the description of this video, join this waitlist. Joining waitlist is for free. And then in coming days and weeks, we'll reach out to you guys telling you how this service would work. Okay, with all the details. All right, with that, come back here and let's go. So Tesla, as I have been saying, that 410 definitely is your hard stop loss. However, weakness started to come right up from here around this $439 on the multi-day side weakness. All right. Now, we are overall still technically in the bearish structure. Nothing has changed along those lines, and we are still continuing lower. So that means overall structure is not bullish. But while I'm saying that, let's get to the weekly interval real quick. And over here, there's something interesting that I want to show you is the bounce that we are getting has also to do with this recent formed trend. Now, again, I'm using the word bounce, okay? We are bouncing at that very trend, but can we fully turn around? Because it's just a bounce right now. We are still in the broken structure in the downside, okay, on the daily interval. So going back to the daily interval, as I said, 439 is where, and this is what I have been saying on my Patreon as well to my members, is this is where you gotta start getting out. And if we are not able to establish above it, momentum will start escaping. And then for the swing, if you have positions from 250 or whatnot, whatever position is left, 410 is your hard stop loss for whatever small position you had left after 439. Going below that, then you gotta get out. Now, price went as low as 382, and I think it went much lower than that. Let's see, 380 almost in the pre-market, and then it did bounce. I'm on the hourly interval now. Now, while I'm over here, you can see we are still technically in the downtrend. Okay, that reference line that I have put there is still pointing to the downside. Rebound came all the way to that very zone that I mentioned, $410. Okay, and that's where it started to slow down, started to a little bit cool off, and thus we are just in the rebound right now. If you need access to my tools that marks all these levels automatically for you, check out the details in the description of this video. There is also a yearly discount if you're looking for a discount as well. Okay, all the links are in the description of this video. Now, from here on, can Tesla continue up? So there are two ways to look at it from here. Yes, it can continue up, but you'll still have to take that as a rebound only on the overall structure. And for day trade, that could be a bullish trade. And what is that trade? We'll have to get above 409 or 410 to 409. If we can get above that, it has a room to push for a day, test that trend line above, most likely until this significant level, that is $421. There is a possibility from 410 when we start to get above to test somehow 421. However, if we stay below yellow zone from where we are, our multi-day structure is still bearish, swing we are bearish, and we are also on the overall structure still on the negative side. So that's pretty much the zone to watch, at least for a day or two moving forward. Tesla, a good rebound, but it's nothing more than a rebound right now. It's just for a day trade, gave us a good move. And 5 minutes also speaks to that. And definitely, as I'll say that's, same thing, that if you have access to my tools, you can, make all these decisions easy peasily. I'm just gonna, um, show you here on the 5 minutes interval how easily you can make money. If you have access to my tools, when the structure is turning green, you just start playing bullish, and then eventually when it starts to go a little bit red, you gotta take, start sizing down, take your partial profits and all that good stuff, right? So, and these tools works on all the intervals based on your, preference on which interval you like to trade on. They will work on all the intervals for you. They take into account everything, and you don't have to think anything. You just have to follow the tools, and that's it. All right. So that's all I had for you guys in this video, actually, guys. And so yes, it's a rebound, but take it as a rebound right now. If Tesla wanna fully regain the strength, it can continue in the rebound above 410. But if you wanna get really proper in a proper uptrend on Tesla, it will take a day or two to show us those confirmations. Okay. And let's say another thing, as if we just continue to stay below 410 and continue to fizzle down here, stay weak eventually, and start to come down, there's a room that Tesla can also test $350. Well, it came as close as 380, so 350 is not that far away. But right now it's still in the downward structure, Tesla here. Okay, overall. All right, that's all I had for you guys in this video, and with that, we'll see you in the next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.